In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the email and delete the main one on Facebook. What we are going to do is go to our Facebook application, and once we are here, we go to the upper right corner where our live appears. Okay, we are going to go to where it says settings. In settings, we can see settings and privacy. We are going to press where it says settings. Once we are in settings, we are going to go to where it says personal details here, or that we have in appears meta account center. Once we are here, we are going to go to where it says personal details under password and security. Okay, now we can see our contact information and our emails here. What we are going to do is delete the one we want here. We delete. Okay, delete the email, and you must enter your password. On the next thing we must do to add is a new one, is add a new email. The new email add here, and new contact add email, and enter your email, and your email will receive a verification code that you will place here. Your email will be added. Now, as I told you, you just have to select which ones you want to delete and leave the new one. That will be mine. Think it's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us you thought of it, and please leave a like for this technology video.